Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, this project is reaching to an end, and there is a few things to missing. But this car have a small problem that I need to fix, which is when I'm driving the car, the temperature don't reach the 90 degrees, only reach the 90 degrees when I stop, for example, in a red light, you know, or I stop a car like just for 1 minute.
I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you.
So in this video I will replace the thermostat because I believe I have a problem in the thermostat. Of course, the cause of this can be more than the thermostat, of course, and I can show you, for example. For example, if you use a bad coolant or even regular water, what will happen is you start get rust in the system, and sometimes this small hose, which is the return hose of the coolant, will start get a bad flow because there is a lot of dirt inside, rust and things like that. I didn't check the hose yet because it don't seems to be the problem. I believe the problem is the thermostat. I'm not sure, I didn't analyze, but due to the symptoms I just bought the thermostat, and because it's like €6 I believe, so I will just replace and see what's happening. After I replace the thermostat, I will not have new coolant because I want to clean also the heater core, so I will just replace the thermostat, add the water, and I will drive for a few kilometers to see if my problem is fixed or not. If not, I have to analyze, of course, but if it's fixed, then I will clean the heater core and add new coolant for the last time, because I already spent coolant 2 times. So right now I'm just gonna show you how you can replace your thermostat in this Volkswagen Polo. This is the 6N2 model. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget your thumbs up if you think this video is helpful, and of course we are almost in 2K subscribers. Just click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber. So guys, let's go. I hope this video can help you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
I forgot one important thing. My initial idea is to remove all the coolant, but I forgot something to drain. I don't want to drop a lot of coolant, you know, in the floor. I will just remove the hose that connects to the thermostat body, and try not to split a lot on the floor. Here where I am is not a big deal, but I don't like to do that. So if you want to see a full process of how you can remove the coolant and the expansion tank, I have a video showing that, and you can take a look after this video, and you will see how you can easily, this is really easy, remove the lower hose and drain all the coolant. So guys, once you remove this clamp, you just shake a bit. Of course I will drop coolant. Yeah. So I'll put the hose right here, try not to split more. The camera was not on when I was removing the screws, but basically you have 2 screws like this, one on the top and one off the bottom. You just have to remove. It's really easy. There's one important thing that I want to share with you. Usually you should replace this o-ring, but unfortunately the kit that I bought don't came the o-ring, and this seems to be good. So I will just clean it and add the new thermostat. But if you can replace the o-ring too, this is a cheap o-ring. This is really this is not expensive. So try to see when you buy the new thermostat if it comes with the o-ring, or you have to buy separated from the thermostat. But try to remember to buy this one. So right now I'm just gonna clean this. Install the new thermostat, put the body back, install the hose, and add the water, and drive the car if it's to see if my problem is solved or not. So guys, as you saw, my problem is solved. As I thought at the beginning, the problem was the thermostat. It's really common when you are driving your car and the engine don't get the right temperature, only get the 70 degrees, for example, and if you stop, for example, in a red light, the engine just starts to get up and reach the 90 degrees. Then you start driving the car again, then the temperature starts getting low. The reason for that is a malfunction in the thermostat. There's another important thing that I need to share with you before I go, if you're gonna do this kind of thing. As you saw, I didn't remove all the coolant because I forgot something to drain the old coolant, and I don't want to drop everything in the floor, just drop a bit. But if you remove the coolant, then you replace the thermostat, you add new coolant. It's pretty common that the car give you a warning if it's not that the coolant level is wrong. What you're gonna do, it's to check, of course, the coolant, which you should do always, and checking for leaks also. But don't forget, never add coolant while the engine is hot. Let it cool down, and then you can add coolant. I already saw, believe me or not, I already saw someone doing that in the video. Guys, that could damage your engine. Never do that. Always let the engine cool down, and then you can add the coolant at the right level. So guys, I hope this video can help, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay tuned.